Let me give you a piece of advice. Don't make them angry, okay? To try to help you here. The question, which of the following is the smallest, 1/3, 1/4, or 1/2? You said B, 1/4. You're right, you have 25. The correct answer is B, 1/4. And were you a good student growing up?
क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
And now look where you're
मिट्टू मिटोरी मिट्टू मिटोरी इतनी मोहब्बत कर रहे हो मिट्टू मिटोरी हाय अल्लाह ऐसी मोहब्बत
$50,000 question is
मिट्टू मिटोरू
U.S. month will have a Friday the 13th if the
मिट्टू मिटोरी मिट्टू मिटोरी
first day of the month is on which day of the week?
मिट्टू मिटोरू मिठुए अरे मिठुए
You look like we're about to have a seance.
मिट्टू मिटोरी हाय मेरे अल्लाह ऐसी मोहब्बत
What do you think, Maureen?
मिट्टू मिटोरी
My answer is going to be Tuesday,
अरे मिठुए
and that is going to be my answer.
मिट्टू मिटोरी
All right, you said Tuesday. I'll tell you Tuesday is
अरे मिट्टू मिटोरी
not the right answer.
मिट्टू मिटोरी अरे मिठुए
Same game. Is it Marky Sage?
मिट्टू मिटोरी
Let's see what Marky said. Marky said
मिट्टू
Wednesday.
मिटोरू
Let me walk around the classroom.
मिट्टू मिटोरी
Can we see it on the board what the rest of the class had to say? Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday.
अब जरा कुछ रिएक्शन करवाओ
We
इस
have the week covered.
इधर मुंह करवाओ जरा
Only one of the 5 kids had the
मिट्टू
right answer.
मिटोरू
You're hoping that it's Marky.
अरे मिठुए
Sorry to tell you, it is Jacob. Correct answer is a U.S. month will have a Friday the 13th. That's the first day of the month. Is on what day of the week?